Today, we're diving into a fascinating development in AI, TinyML. This new technology is revolutionizing the way AI is integrated into everyday life. What exactly is TinyML, and why is it such a big deal?
TinyML is all about running machine learning models on ultra-low-power devices. Imagine small microcontrollers and embedded systems with just a few hundred kilobytes of memory, processing data right on the device. It's pretty incredible because it means AI no longer needs cloud computing to function.
That's huge. It sounds like a shift from relying on the internet to a more self-sufficient system. So these devices can still make decisions and process information without being connected to the cloud?
Exactly. TinyML models are optimized for real-time decision-making, meaning they can process data and respond instantly. No lag, no waiting for a server to crunch the numbers, just immediate action.
That's pretty impressive. It's like you've got your own little AI assistant that's always there ready to act. Do you have examples of everyday devices using TinyML?
Sure. Fitness trackers are a great example. They're able to monitor things like heart rate or even detect falls in real time, all locally on the device. There's no need to send that data to the cloud for processing, keeping it fast and private.
Oh, that's a good point. It must be reassuring for people who value privacy. How about other devices we use daily?
Smart home gadgets are another big one. Thermostats, security cameras, even voice assistants. These devices can recognize family members, detect intruders, or even adjust lighting without needing to be constantly connected to the internet.
So it's not just about convenience, but also security and privacy?
Definitely. Since the data stays local, there's much less risk of it being intercepted or misused. Plus, if there's a power outage or no internet, the device still works seamlessly. It's all about giving users more control and trust.
That's amazing. AI that's both powerful and protective. But what about the energy side of things? TinyML is all about efficiency, right?
Yes. The beauty of TinyML is its extremely low power consumption. These devices can run for long periods on minimal energy, extending battery life, which is a huge plus for portable devices like wearables. Plus, it's better for the environment.
So, fewer chargers, longer battery life, and less impact on the planet. Seems like a win all around. How do you see this affecting the market?
Well, TinyML is already gaining traction. Families love the peace of mind it brings for home security and health monitoring. Health-conscious individuals get real-time, reliable data. Privacy advocates can embrace powerful AI without worrying about cloud data collection.
Sounds like a perfect blend of convenience, privacy, and security. With the market expected to grow rapidly, this could become a standard feature in everyday products by 2027.
Exactly. In a few years, we might not even think about it. We'll just expect our devices to be smart, private, and responsive. It's the future of AI, quietly working in the background.
It really does feel like magic. AI that's accessible, trustworthy, and always there when you need it. TinyML is making AI work for everyone, and that's something to get excited about.
For sure. It's AI that blends seamlessly into our lives without the hassle. It's here to stay, and it's only going to get better.